Are you looking to attract new customers in 2021?
Use responsive display ads to help increase the visibility of your product or service.
Get ready to learn all about Google responsive display ads in this week's Monday Marketing Minute.
Responsive display ads have been around for years. They combine text-based elements like a headline with an image and display them in the best format for the user's device and placement.
And here's what that means. You're inputting the headline, text, images, logos into Google, and they're serving users a combination of your ad that provides them with the best experience.
I always say, test, analyze, and refine, and using responsive display ads makes that a breeze.
And are you sold on using responsive display ads or what? Sean has a couple of tips to get you started.
You're going to want to provide as many headlines as you can. The more options, the more you can test out to see what works. You'll want to make sure you're providing a few description text options as well.
And when you're running tests like this, be sure to check in to see how individual elements are performing. Then you can optimize your ad by only keeping the highest performing image and text combinations.
That's right, Tessa. And make sure you're creating different length headlines and descriptions too. You don't always have to hit the max character count every time.
And with this, you should be feeling confident enough to start using responsive display ads.
Thanks for watching. We hope you tune in to the next Monday Marketing Minute on keyword research.
And make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. See ya!
See ya!